All right, Bulls, happy Friday. Good day. Here from the Sherpa, here from Chase at Ever Bullish, here from the YouTube portfolio manager. It's a good day. Not only is it a Friday, Super Bowl Sunday. Take the under, by the way. I'm coming at you with the Sherpas list. This is only the second Sherpas list of the year, and I have a two-parter. First half, everybody's going to get it. These are my bottom 20 stocks in a list of 40. And then we're going to go for the Substack only, the second piece that I'm going to show you. So this might cut out on YouTube, but hey, go pay for it at the Sherpa.substack.com. All right. How are we doing? A lot of things going on. The numbers came out yesterday. When I say the numbers, I mean the CPI numbers. They came out higher than the market was expecting. And I think the market is eating it well, even though we're down right now. So everybody do what you always do. Pull up your iPad, pull out your phone, go to stockmaster.com and copy this list so you can trade like a boss, like a pro, like a stud, like a Sherpa. This is what the Substack's going to look like when you guys subscribe. Here you are. Okay. So everybody's seeing this now. Again, Substack Bulls. I just moved from number 7 in the world to number 6 in the world in trading, and I want to get to number 1. This is a 2-pager for y'all. You guys deserve it. Congrats, and congrats on the trading recently, and thank you from the Sherpa. All right, here we are. This is from 10:10 today. I just took a screenshot of the exact watch lists that are walking around in my pocket at all time. And first, we have FAS. Remember, FAS is the 3-time directional on the banks, and I love it this year. We've been easily trading this between 120 and 140, and it moves Oppo interest rates as it should. GXO, one of my number 1 holdings in my professional portfolios. GXO is a shipping company. They have the smartest people. They have amazing technology, and they already have the differentiator of being a tech distributor, a tech company centric shipping and logistics company. Just deal with that. Mara, everybody knows that. Marathon is a crypto mining company. I love it. QS is a company. QuantumScape, Bill Gates is on the board. And in my opinion, it's the best battery transitional, industrial transitional, basically grid backup software for managing the new battery technologies that have come out for electric vehicles, charging stations, and really just the grid in general. Plug Power is similar. I like it because it's a momentum name, but I'm not in it or trading it right now. Palantir, this is a dumb money play. This is a great stock. It's a great company. It's owned by ARK. It's owned by a lot of traders out there. It was kind of the darling last year. It's the darling that got knocked up in sophomore year of college and had to drop out, but she's going to become a smoke show and a yoga teacher again. So I have it on there. Goldman Sachs, y'all know how I feel about Goldman Sachs. I think Goldman Sachs is the best financial company if you're going to own. The problem is it's pricey, so Goldman Sachs is hard to buy. And I also just like buying the sector sometimes, and I also like a lot of small cap regional banks in the Midwest. LAZR, this is how I get my read on electric vehicles. This is a LiDAR technology, basically. I really only watch that to see what it's going to do. I don't trade it. Activision, this is a dumb money play. Activision is the stock that is doing the best this year, and it's because of the acquisition that happened. They make Call of Duty, they make video games. Y'all all know about that. This is one of those stocks that's either going to go up to 100 or back down to 60. I'm not sure which, and I'm likely to buy a straddle on it. Hive Bitcoin Technology, we've talked about that. It's worth nothing. I don't know why it's still on my list. XPDI, this is an infrastructure company that makes, I don't know why that's not showing up any money. That's a company that I'm going to have to check that ticker, guys, but just stick with me. So that's a company that is doing infrastructure as well for Bitcoin mining. FTCV, who knows what's going to happen there. That was the eToro SPAC. GBTC is Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. If you don't own it right now, you need to buy it. You're going to love this price. I believe it's going to go up to 60 this year, and you can buy it at 30 inside of the trust, and there's going to be a little float for you to make extra money on. Apple, we all know what that is. Academy Sports and Outdoors, this is a regional play. I'm here in the South. I'm here in Austin, Texas, and Academy Sports and Outdoors is kind of a play on the resurgence to outdoor activities. It's a play on the resurgence to kind of a staple in a way, kind of a retail in a way. Hut, we have Hut. Love this company. This is a mining company as well. Again, Bitcoin heavy. I'm the Bitcoin Sherpa. LAC, my favorite stock of the year. My personal family members own this. I personally own it. My best friends own this. Hedge fund manager friends of mine own this. Institutional asset managers own this. This is a simple play. And we're not talking about China in this stock when we're talking about lithium ion, in this case, lithium hydroxide ion technology. So LAC, if you don't own it, go buy it. BITO is a Bitcoin ETF. I play these against each other. GBTC, which is the trust, that's Grayscale. BITO, which is Grayscale's actual ETF. The float here causes a difference that I'm not going to tell you about because that's worth millions, in my opinion, to know this difference. But you can watch it yourself and at least try to pick up on it. Amazon's the G. The problem is she's expensive. This is like the Gal Gadot or Margot Robbie. She is the best. She is a beauty, and you ought to buy her, but she is expensive. Arrival, EVs, Shorty. This is the play against each other. Remember that Shorty is the 2 times levered on the small caps, right? So if this is going up, that means the economy is going down, and that's how I watch it. Tesla, love Tesla. I think it gets back down to 750 this year. I think it also gets back up to 1300 this year. So final thing, I'm going to leave this one out for the YouTubers before I cut this, but you need to go subscribe to my Substack, thesherpa.substack.com. You will see on there several trades that have made customers in less than a week over 20%. We're absolutely taking what this market gives us, learning from it, and also making money for you guys. I'm having a decent year, and right now the Ethereum trade is back on. So if you're not back on the Ethereum trade, remember that too. But you find all this shit on the Substack, so go get it. And here is CDEV. This is my new favorite. This is the CPE or the DVN or the FANG of last year. This is a small cap, Permian-based oil company, and I know a lot about this company, and I'm not uncertain, if you know what I mean. All right, I'm going to put a pause break in here and go like this. So when I edit this, my Substackers will get the rest. And these are the best 20